Good morning, welcome back. Today I am talking all about one of my favorite brands of diaper bags. This is a splurge, this is not a save, but this is one of my favorite brands, one of my favorite diaper bags of all time. I am a mom of 3. I have a 7, 3, and 1-year-old, and I tend to be prepared when I leave the house with them. So I'm going to show you all about the Kerikit Amber diaper bag and what I have inside, and maybe it'll help you decide if it's right for you. So I will go over the features of the bag as I show you what I have packed inside. So starting out on this side compartment, I have my med kit. So in here I have everything you could need: sunscreen, band-aids, Tylenol, little toothbrushes. I have these bug repellent wipes from Avon, a thermometer, a hair tie, floss, all of that good stuff, and it fits in here perfectly, and it's one of my most used items. Going to the front pocket, I have some stuff for me. So I have some hand sanitizer over here. Then in this little stretchy pocket, if you can see that, I keep my AirPods and a hair tie because I'm always grabbing for those. In the pen loops here, I do have a Sharpie and a regular pen. And then you do have some card slots on this side. I believe she has updated her interior organization a little bit so that it's just one pocket, but I use these for individually wrapped wipes. So I have some lens wipes for my sunglasses and some boogie wipes because it's that time of year. And then in front of that, I have a foldable hairbrush and a Jujube small set piece. And in here I just have some lip items and some lotion for myself. Alright, so going around to the other side pocket of the bag, it's identical to the previous one, and in here I keep my external battery charger. This one is my favorite because it has all 3 different types of plugs and it charges to 100%, and I also keep a reusable shopping bag in there. Then moving on to the back of the bag, you do have 2 pockets on the back. This is a smaller one, and in here I keep my wallet, which is just a card holder from Mina Bay, and I like that it's safe and protected and no one can get to it. And then you do have this long pocket back here where I keep a change pad and a wet bag for any messes, and that change mat is from Gather. I will link everything for you. These are all of my favorite things in here. Okay, going to the inside. Can we just admire the organization? It's so good. So first thing you're seeing here is my water bottle. This is an Ivana water bottle. It does have the free sip spout, so it's what I prefer to carry because me and the baby can both drink out of the straw of this, and then I don't have to carry 2 cups. My other 2, they carry their own water bottles. Then above that, I have my keys on the key leash, and then in this back zipper, I keep just some random things. I have a face mask, I have a pill case with a bunch of different medicines. Like I said, I like to be prepared, so I have kids Tylenol, kids Advil, Dramamine, allergy medicine, Advil, all of the things. I also carry a little tiny tape measure, which I use all the time, and my husband's car key. He has like the keyless start, so this way, as long as I have my bag, if I have to take his car, I can. In front of that, you do have this slip pocket that can button, and I just keep some activities for my kids. So right now I have 2 boogie boards, a play pack, and some stickers back there, and they fit perfectly. Then moving into the center of the bag, I have a Jujube large set piece. This is an older print called Prism Rose, but I love it. And in here, I have all the snacks, because if you have kids, you can leave the house without diapers. You might be able to leave the house without wipes. You cannot leave the house without snacks. So that's why I have so many of them. Off to the side here, I just have a pouch with some toys for this. So I have some little Paw Patrol characters, and then I have 2 other pouches in here. Inside this one, I have plus cubes. If you haven't seen these before, you can connect them together and build different things. My kids love them. And then this is a Jujubee coin purse, and in here I have Brain Flakes, which is another build activity. And I like it because it's different and I can hand one to each kid. Everybody has something to do. Alright, last pouch in the center is another Jujubee medium set piece, and this is my restaurant essentials. So this is mostly for the baby, but it does come out for the other 2 sometimes. I have a Go Silly placemat, a little bumpkin sandwich bag for anything dirty. I have a Chew Me pouch topper, a pair of utensils, a straw for me or for the kids, whoever needs it, and then I have a Bumpkins bib in here, and then I keep these are for breast pump parts. They're Medela Quick Clean wipes, but I use that to wipe down the utensils or the bib or anything they've used before I put it back in the pouch until we get home. I also usually have a straw topper in here, but we used it, so it is currently in the dishwasher. Alright, then at the bottom of the bag, I usually have a full change of clothes for the baby, but we used it. But I do also keep a pair of socks for him. And then going around the side pockets, you have 4 pockets on the inside of this bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In the sides, I keep my diapers and wipes. So on this side, I have 1 diaper and my package of wipes. And then on the other side, I have 2 more diapers. And I can fit way more if we're going to be out all day. Then in this front right pocket here, this is my potty kit. And so I grab this to take to the bathroom with my toddler, or even if I have to go, because it's just some things that are nice to have. So typically I have 2 flushable, individually wrapped flushable wipes. Again, we use them. Time to restock the diaper bag, Melissa. I keep some feminine products in there. I keep a potty seat cover, and as well as some post-it notes. So because my daughter's 3, she's not tall enough to stop the automatic flush toilets from flushing, so we put a post-it note over the sensor so that it doesn't flush while she's on it. I have some poopery spray because you never know when it's going to happen. Soap sheets, and then these I got from Amazon. They are compressed towels that are individually wrapped, and as soon as you wet them, they become like a full-size paper towel. So that's useful for blowouts or messes or anything that we may want to clean up while we're in there. So that works perfectly. And then next to that, I have some diaper rash cream, and this is my favorite because it's a spray. So you don't have any messy hands. If you need it, you just spray it on, close up the diaper, good to go. Then in this next pocket, I usually have my son's moccasins. He is a new walker. He's starting to want down more. So I always try and keep a pair of moccasins in here for him so that if he wants to get down and walk around, he can do so. So that is it. That is everything I carry. It's kind of a lot, but that is what I would take for a full day out. In the future, I do plan on making a video of what I would take just day to day, where I don't really need this stuff, or all of it I should say. So let me know if you want to see that. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're liking my content. I'd love to have you here and keep producing content. So thank you for watching so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!